Did you know bees can wave? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover why these tiny creatures might just be saying hello or back off with a simple wave. Bees are known for their honey-making and pollination skills, but there's so much more to these incredible insects. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of bee waving, a behavior that's as surprising as it is important. When bees feel threatened or encounter an intruder near their hive, they perform a unique behavior, waving their front legs in the air. This waving isn't just random, it serves as a warning signal to other bees in the colony. By waving, they communicate that there's potential danger nearby, helping to protect the hive from predators or threats. But bee waving isn't just about defense. It also plays a crucial role in social interactions within the hive. Researchers believe that this behavior helps to strengthen the bond between bees, promoting unity and cooperation. Imagine it as a way of saying we're in this together, a small gesture that reinforces the social fabric of the colony. And bee waving isn't the only fascinating thing about these insects. Their entire communication system is a marvel of nature, from the famous waggle dance that directs other bees to food sources, to their ability to sense pheromones that convey different messages. Bee waving is just one piece of the intricate puzzle that makes up their complex social structure. So the next time you see a bee, remember that it might be waving at you not just with a buzz, but with a meaningful gesture that speaks volumes in the world of bees. Want more amazing insect facts? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world.